everyone, welcome back. I'm Code Witch Raisa. Today we're going to look at 5 common JavaScript mistakes what can make your code harder to read, test or maintain. And I will show you how to fix them. Let's jump right in. First mistake, using global variables. Globals can be changed by any part of your program, even by accident, and that makes debugging a nightmare. Instead, keep your data inside functions or modules, so you always know where it comes from and who can change it. Next mistake, repeating the same code over and over. Copy-paste may feel faster, but it creates a mess when you need to update the logic later. Instead, follow the dry principle, don't repeat yourself. Put the logic in a function and reuse it. It makes your code stronger and easier to maintain. Mistake number 3, magic numbers and strings. If you see something like if user.status triple = 4, you might remember it today, but future you will have no idea what 4 means. Instead of this, use constants or enums, like status_admin. This makes your code self-documenting and much easier to understand. Fourth mistake, giant functions. If your functions looks like an endless wall of code, it probably does too many things at once. Break it into smaller focused functions, each handling one task. That makes testing easier and your code feels cleaner. And mistake number 5, bad variable names. X, D, what does they even mean? Your code should read like a story. Use clear, descriptive names like getUserData or userData. This makes your code friendly not only for your teammates, but also for future you. So it's been 5 simple fixes what can make a huge difference in your JavaScript code. Remember, clean code is not just about making things work, it's about making them easy to read, test and share. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Code Witch Raisa for more JavaScript, React and programming tips. Leave a comment if you have questions or share your own favorite clean code tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.